Hello, my YouTube family. You're here with Skipper Drones, and today we are starting a new build. This is the 3-inch Iflight ih3. This is going to be an HD build. We're going to have the HD camera. I'm waiting on that to come in. But for now, that should be here Monday. So for now, we are about to start the build. I have everything else. This build is going to, this 3-inch is going to have in it the airbot, Ori 32. Sorry about that, you guys. The airbot Ori 32 4-in-1 BL Holly 32 ESC. It's going to also have the airbot omnibus F4 nano V6 flight controller. We have, well, there's a couple things I'm going to do with this, but for now, I'm going to put the FR Sky RX SR in it, in here, 16 channel receiver. And we also have the AKA Mini VTX. So yes, this is gonna be a very, very, very nice build, you guys. So I have the motors here, and the motors are 1505 4300 kV hobbymate motors. They're supposed to run anywhere from a 2 to 4S battery. They also have these 1505s in a 2900 kV, which is supposed to run up to a 6S. Now, people have been running, they say this is rated for up to a 6S battery, this setup here, the airbot. And some people have been running 6S on their mini quads. And I think this is going to be a very fast machine here. We're running off of 4S. I have a Tattoo 4S 850 milliamp hours 75C. This is what she's gonna be pushing it. So yes, so you know what's next. We are going to tin down the ESCs and attach the motors. And like I said, I don't have a camera that zooms in, so we're gonna do it in parts. So after I tune up my ESCs and put the motors together here, I'll be back. Alright, you guys, we're back. We got the ESCs all tinned up and the wires on. I had to remap some motors because of the position of the board I got to put in here. We have the ESC30 connector soldered in. We got the motor soldered in. And now, this is a Ori 32 4-in-1 BI Holly 32 ESC. They have been running 6S up on this setup here that I'm about to install inside this 3-inch quad here. I have the omnibus F4 nano V6 airbot. It has 5 UARTs, camera control, so that's gonna be alright. And they have a barometer, so that's gonna be cool. I'm about to tin this up, put my VTX on in my camera wires, and I will be back. Alright, we are back, you guys. And I'm sorry I've been away for a while. I've been having a lot of things going on right now, and I do apologize. I haven't been posting a lot lately. I've been in and out of town, having to take care of a couple things, but I'm working a lot. But I am back. We have a bunch of builds about to happen. We have some more 3 inches frames. We have some 5-inch frames. Um, we are going to be having a lot of builds going on, and y'all need to stay tuned and catch my next video, because this is the one y'all been waiting on for a long time. I started on this about last summer, and it's here now, so it's time. You will be surprised. I know a lot of y'all have been waiting on this video. Alright, we have here the Iflight ih3 3-inch frame. This build right here was a little bit wild, because I had to figure out how I was going to arrange everything. So I done figured that out. So that's a good thing. I have figured that out. So we have a 1505 4300 kV hobbymate motors. These are the new motors from hobbymate. Run anywhere from 3 to 4S. We have the Orion 32 4-in-1 BI Holly 32 ESC. We have the omnibus F4 nano V6. Actually, they've been running this off 6S, but this here is going to be a 4S 3-inch build. The next build will be a 6S. We have a buzzer I have put on the back, xt60 connector, and right here we have a FR Sky RXSR on the back. So we got everything here together, and we're gonna continue putting this together here, and I will be back. All right, my YouTube family, this is the 3-inch Iflight ih3 with the runcam split 2. We have, it's pushing 4S. Came together pretty nice. Nice clean build on the inside, you guys. It came together very, very, very nice. So yes, can't wait to take this puppy out and let her rip. So this is the build here, and we're, like I said, there's a lot of more content coming your way, so be ready. This is going to be one of my cinematic whoops here. I mean micros, I'm sorry. It has the tattoo line. I might have to get another battery strap, but this is the tattoo line, 850 milliamp 4S with the XT30 connector. So yes, this build, it has the airbot Orion 32 4-in-1 ESC, and it also has the airbot omnibus F4 nano V6. So you guys, if you haven't hit that subscription button at the bottom, if you could, that would help my channel out a lot, and leave a thumbs up for me if you enjoyed the video. And I'm Skipper Drones, and I'm out, and I will catch you guys on the next video real soon. See you later.